Look at this. The alarm blares, the city's alive and you're in the thick of it, suit on, laptop in hand, ready to conquer the day. But when you open the fridge, it's the same sad story. A few eggs, some yogurt, a lonely pepper. You tell yourself there's no time, that grabbing something on the go is the only way. Rubbish. Today on SlimSync, I'll show you 3 ultra-fast Western meals for busy professionals. Minimal prep, maximum fat loss. Let's get to it. First up, we're diving into the lemon pepper chicken flatbread wrap, your new high-powered lunch solution. If you're tired of the same old soggy sandwiches or bland salads that leave you hungry by 2 p.m., this wrap is about to become your go-to. It's designed for busy professionals, students, or anyone who wants a meal that's as quick to make as it is satisfying to eat. This wrap is lean, mean, and ready in under 10 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. No more sacrificing nutrition for speed. You can whip this up in less time than it takes to scroll through your lunch delivery app. Start by grabbing quality pre-grilled chicken strips. Look for options with no added sugars, minimal ingredients, and no junk fillers. These are a lifesaver for meal prep and keep things ultra convenient. If you have leftover grilled chicken from last night's dinner, even better, use that up and reduce food waste. Always check the label. Aim for high protein, low sodium, and no hidden carbs. The better the chicken, the better your wrap will taste and fuel you. Now, let's talk sauce. Forget heavy, calorie-laden dressings. Instead, use full-fat Greek yogurt for creaminess and a protein boost. Squeeze in fresh lemon juice for brightness, add a generous grind of cracked black pepper, and finish with a pinch of sea salt. This combo is tangy, peppery, and so much lighter than mayo-based sauces. Mix it all together until smooth. Toss your chicken in the sauce, making sure every piece is coated. This step is key. The yogurt locks in moisture, the lemon wakes up the flavors, and the pepper gives it a subtle kick. You want every bite to be packed with taste, not just the first one. Next, grab a low-carb, high-protein flatbread. These are widely available now and make a huge difference in keeping your meal light but filling. Toast it in a non-stick pan for a minute or two. This gives it structure so your wrap won't fall apart and adds a satisfying crunch. Layer on fresh spinach or arugula. These greens aren't just for color, they're loaded with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They add a crisp texture and a burst of freshness that balances the creamy chicken. If you want to switch it up, try baby kale or mixed greens. Spoon the lemon pepper chicken onto your bed of greens. For extra bite and crunch, add a few thin slices of red onion or cucumber. These veggies bring sharpness and juiciness, making every mouthful more interesting. You can even throw in some shredded carrots or bell peppers for extra color and nutrients. Now, here's the trick to a perfect wrap. Fold the bottom up first, then roll it tightly from one side to the other. This keeps all the filling inside and makes it easy to eat on the go. Slice it in half for that satisfying cross-section reveal. No mess, just a perfect portable meal you can take anywhere. What you get is a wrap that's high in protein, low in sugar, and packed with healthy fats and fiber. It'll keep you full and focused for hours, so you can power through your afternoon without reaching for snacks or coffee refills. This isn't just food, it's performance fuel. You're giving your body what it needs to stay sharp, energized, and productive, whether you're at your desk, in a meeting, or running between appointments. In just 10 minutes, you've created a meal that beats any takeaway. Fresher, healthier, and tailored to your goals. No more mystery ingredients or hidden calories. You're in control. Let's recap. Pre-cooked chicken for speed, Greek yogurt sauce for flavor and protein, a low-carb wrap for structure, and fresh greens for crunch and nutrition. Every choice here is intentional, designed for speed, flavor, and fat loss. You can prep these ingredients ahead of time and assemble in minutes, making it perfect for meal prep or last-minute lunches. Make a few wraps at once and store them in the fridge for grab-and-go meals all week. They hold up well and taste just as good the next day. This is SlimSync. Smart, efficient, and delicious. No more excuses, just results. The lemon pepper chicken wrap is proof that healthy eating can be fast, flavorful, and totally satisfying. Ready for more? Let's move on to the next dish and keep your meal game strong. If you're always on the go, juggling work, family, and a million other things, you know how tough it can be to eat healthy without spending hours in the kitchen. That's where the speedy garlic shrimp protein bowl comes in. A meal that's not only delicious and satisfying, but also ready in just 7 minutes from start to finish. It's the perfect solution for anyone who wants a nutritious, protein-packed meal without the hassle. The secret to this bowl's speed and nutrition? Frozen, raw shrimp. Shrimp is one of the leanest sources of protein you can find, and because it's frozen, you can keep it on hand for whenever hunger strikes. No need to thaw in advance, just grab what you need and you're good to go. Shrimp cooks incredibly fast, making it ideal for quick meals that don't sacrifice quality or taste. Instead of traditional rice, we're using frozen cauliflower rice. This swap is a game changer. It adds bulk and texture to your bowl but with a fraction of the carbs and calories. Plus, there's zero prep. No chopping, no washing. Just pour it straight from the bag. It's a fantastic way to sneak in extra veggies and keep your meal light and energizing. Start by heating a non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Add a touch of olive oil. Not only does it help prevent sticking, but it also brings a subtle richness to the dish. Let the oil get nice and hot so you get that satisfying sizzle when the ingredients hit the pan. Pour in your cauliflower rice and season it with a pinch of salt and pepper. Sauté for a couple of minutes, letting it get a bit of golden color and a slightly nutty aroma. This step brings out the best in the cauliflower, making it taste hearty and satisfying, almost like real rice but so much lighter. Once the cauliflower rice is sizzling, push it to one side of the pan. Add a little more olive oil to the empty space. And then clean stain. Then lay in your raw shrimp in a single layer. Be careful not to overcrowd the pan. This ensures each shrimp gets a perfect sear and cooks evenly. Now for the flavor punch, add freshly minced garlic and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes right over the shrimp. The garlic infuses the oil and shrimp with its bold aroma, while the red pepper flakes add a gentle heat that wakes up your taste buds and even gives your metabolism a little boost. Let the shrimp sear undisturbed for about 90 seconds per side. You'll see them turn from translucent to a beautiful pink with a slight golden edge. This quick sear locks in their natural sweetness and keeps them juicy. No rubbery shrimp here. Once the shrimp are cooked through, toss everything together in the pan so the flavors meld. Finish with a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice. The acidity brightens the dish, cutting through the richness and tying all the flavors together. For a final touch, sprinkle over some chopped parsley or cilantro. Fresh herbs add a pop of color and a burst of freshness that makes the bowl feel vibrant and restaurant-worthy. What you end up with is a bowl that's high in protein, low in carbs, and absolutely bursting with flavor. It's light enough to keep you energized, but hearty enough to keep you full for hours. This is the ultimate emergency meal for busy days. Whether you're running between meetings, coming home late, or just need something fast and healthy, this bowl has your back. It's clean, satisfying, and takes less time than waiting for delivery. The best part? You can always be prepared. Just keep bags of frozen shrimp and cauliflower rice in your freezer, and you'll never be more than a few minutes away from a nutritious meal. No more last-minute scrambles or unhealthy choices. Say goodbye to greasy takeout and heavy, carb-loaded meals. With this protein bowl, you're fueling your body with clean ingredients that support your goals, whether that's fat loss, muscle gain, or just feeling your best every day. The garlic shrimp protein bowl is more than just a quick fix. It's a light, fast, and fat-burning meal you'll actually look forward to eating. It proves that healthy food can be crave-worthy and convenient. So, let's get to the final dish. Take a moment to appreciate the colors, the aroma, and the fact that you made something so nourishing in almost no time at all. This is your ultimate weapon for those truly time-crunched mornings or evenings. With just a few simple ingredients and a handful of minutes, you got a meal that powers you through the busiest days. No compromise, just pure, delicious fuel. Last up, the no-cook turkey avocado power plate. This is the meal for those days when you're racing against the clock, when the idea of turning on the stove feels like a distant dream, and you need something that's as quick as it is nourishing. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent juggling a million things, or just someone who wants to eat well without the hassle, this plate is your new go-to. Zero cooking, 5 minutes pure efficiency. Imagine this, you walk into your kitchen, glance at the clock, and realize you have just a handful of minutes before your next meeting or commitment. Instead of reaching for a granola bar or skipping your meal altogether, you can whip up a plate that's packed with everything your body needs to power through the day. Start with high-quality sliced turkey breast, lean protein, no sugar or excess sodium. Look for options that are minimally processed, ideally from the deli counter or a trusted brand. This is your protein anchor, the foundation that keeps you full and supports muscle repair and fat loss. If you're shopping, check the label for ingredients you recognize and avoid anything with added fillers or artificial flavors. Add half a ripe avocado for healthy fats. Slice, scoop, and season with sea salt, black pepper, and everything bagel seasoning. Avocado isn't just delicious, it's loaded with monounsaturated fats that help keep you satisfied and support heart health. The creamy texture pairs perfectly with the turkey, and a sprinkle of seasoning brings the whole thing to life. Don't be afraid to get creative. Try chili flakes for a kick or a squeeze of lemon for brightness. For fiber and crunch, cherry tomatoes and sliced mini cucumber. No prep, just rinse and slice. These veggies add color, hydration, and a satisfying crunch to your plate. Tomatoes bring a burst of sweetness and antioxidants, while cucumbers are refreshing and low in calories. If you want to mix it up, throw in some radishes, bell peppers, or even a handful of baby carrots. Arrange everything on a plate. Take pride in the presentation. Even if you're eating at your desk or on the go, a well-arranged plate makes the meal feel special. It's not just about nutrition, it's about enjoying the process and giving yourself a moment of care in a busy day. A beautiful plate can actually make your meal more satisfying and help you slow down, even if just for a few minutes. The combo: lean protein, healthy fat, fresh veggies. This is the trifecta for a meal that keeps you energized, focused, and satisfied. You're getting a balance of macronutrients without any of the heaviness that comes from processed carbs or sugary snacks, perfectly balanced for fat loss and energy. This plate is designed to keep your blood sugar stable, so you won't experience that mid-afternoon crash. Instead, you'll feel steady, alert, and ready to tackle whatever comes next. Whether it's a big meeting, a workout, or just the rest of your to-do list. No heavy carbs, no sugar crash, just steady, sustained energy. By skipping the bread, pasta, or rice, you're avoiding the quick spike and drop in energy that can leave you feeling sluggish. Instead, you're fueling your body with what it truly needs to perform at its best. This isn't a sad desk salad. It's a robust, satisfying plate of real food. You won't be left hungry or unsatisfied. In fact, you might find yourself looking forward to lunch in a way you haven't before. It's proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or bland. 5 minutes, zero cooking, and you're set for the day. This is the kind of meal you can make before work, after a workout, or even late at night, when you need something quick, but don't want to compromise on nutrition. It's about making healthy choices easy and accessible, no matter how busy life gets. Customize it, swap turkey for chicken or tuna, add olives or spinach, just stick to the formula. The beauty of this plate is its flexibility. If you're vegetarian, try hard-boiled eggs, or a scoop of hummus. If you want more flavor, add a drizzle of olive oil, or a sprinkle of feta cheese. The key is to keep the balance: protein, healthy fat, and fresh veggies. Pro tip: keep your fridge stocked with these essentials. Pre-slice your veggies, portion out your turkey or protein of choice, and have avocados on hand. That way, you can assemble this meal in even less time, making it truly effortless. This is your fallback meal, your safety net for busy days. When you're tempted to order takeout or skip a meal, remember you have this option waiting for you. It's reliable, delicious, and always ready when you are. Review: turkey, avocado, tomatoes, cucumber, seasoning. Simple, repeatable, effective. These are ingredients you can find at any grocery store, and they come together in a way that's greater than the sum of their parts. The Turkey Avocado Power Plate: zero cook, maximum results. It's not just a meal, it's a strategy for staying on track, no matter what life throws at you. 3 meals, 3 strategies to win. No more excuses. You are in control. With these options in your toolkit, you can handle any schedule, any craving, and any challenge. Healthy eating is now the easiest part of your day. This is SlimSync in action. It's about making smart choices simple, building habits that last, and fueling your body for success. Every meal is a step toward your goals. Now let's wrap this up. You've got the tools, time to use them. Remember, the best plan is the one you can stick to. With the Turkey Avocado Power Plate and the other meals you've learned, you're ready to take charge of your nutrition, one delicious, effortless plate at a time. 3 powerful meals: lemon pepper chicken wrap, garlic shrimp protein bowl, and no-cook turkey avocado plate. Each one is fast, delicious, and engineered for results. This isn't about dieting, it's about eating smart and fitting healthy choices into your busy life. No more excuses. You have the blueprint. Stock your fridge, make these your go-to meals, and stay consistent. Consistency is what gets results. Like, subscribe, and join SlimSync, your secret weapon for fat loss. Now, get in the kitchen, and make it happen.